Hey guys, so in the previous videos I showed you the Ask Lili feature and also the Learn feature. This time I'm going to show you the quizzing feature. So here's our study feature page. I'm just going to go ahead and click quiz. So here you have two options. You have test me on wrong answers and choose your subtopic. I'm just going to show you this one first, choose your subtopic. So I'm going to click on that. You'll notice that just like in Learn, all your subtopics are on the left-hand side and also have progress bubbles. This will show you how much you've progressed in learning the topic and how well you've done on your quizzes. You'll also notice that there's 3 lines underneath each subtopic. The lines will fill up every time that you've completed a quiz. The idea is that you complete the quiz many times over a span of time, not in a short chunk of time. Because when you complete things and learn things over a long span of time, it means that everything is transferring into your long-term memory. And that is what we are trying to focus on, so that you can retain that memory and retain that information, and remember everything for your exams. So if we go ahead, I'm going to click on Tehran Conference again because that's the topic that we've been looking at so far in these videos. So when you click on that, you get this page here. It'll tell you how many questions there are maximum in the topic, and if you use this bar here, you can change how many questions you'd like to be asked, and if you put it all the way down, it tells you the minimum amount of questions. So let's say we want to do 2 questions. I'll put it there. Click Let's Do It.
What was the Tehran Conference? The second of 3 strategic...
Again, like Ask Lili, you can mute her or change the writing speed. You'll notice that she's asking the questions. She's also telling you what the answers are, so she'll read them aloud to you unless you choose to mute it. You click the answer which you think it is and then click check. Very similar to how Learn works. However, it's being tracked this time. So any wrong answers that you do get will be tracked and transferred into the wrong answers feature. You may have noticed that there's also these 3 stars in the top right-hand corner of the question you're being asked. This is because every time you get a question right, you'll get a full star filled up. The goal is to get all 3 stars filled up. So if you get the question wrong once, half a star will be deducted from the stars you already have. If you get that question wrong again, so you get it wrong twice, all your stars will be deducted from what you've already achieved. This is because we want to make sure that whatever you're learning is staying in your long-term memory. So once you've filled up those 3 stars, it means that you've mastered that question, and by now, over that long span of time studying this topic, you should have that safe and stored in your long-term memory for your use in the exam. So we click continue. You get more questions. Again, if it says select all that apply, you need to remember to click multiple answers, and it'll tell you what you've gotten wrong and what you've gotten right, or what you might have missed. If we go ahead and close that, this is the page again. This progress thing will only come up once you've completed a quiz. So if you've completed a quiz, it'll tell you how much progress you've made. If I go back, you can go back and try the Test Me on Wrong Answers feature. So as I said earlier, when you're in quizzing, the wrong answers that you make will be tracked. They get all transferred to this area, this feature. You'll notice that on the left, it says every topic or a subtopic. Every topic has all the bad answers you may have made in any topic ever, right? Which you haven't fixed or amended. So all the bad answers that you have here will be here, and it says you've gotten 4 wrong here. You can choose to do all of those, so it'll be all the questions that you've ever gotten wrong, or you can choose to pick a subtopic. So here it says that I've gotten 2 wrong answers on the Tehran Conference. Click it here. It tells you that you've got 2 questions to do. Again, you can change that, so you can do 1 or 2 in this case, because 2 is the max amount that you've gotten wrong. Click that, and you go through the same process until you get them right. And yeah, this is a great way to focus on your struggling areas if you have any. And yeah, that's the quiz feature. It's super important that you use this feature because quizzing is such an essential part of your revision, and you want to make sure that you're retaining everything that you're learning. So have a go at this. I think you'll find it extremely useful. See ya!